Yeah, GMG guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Smile. I'm doing our Smile Network. Please do wait to subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you visit my website for latest updates on Web3, how to make money on Web3, the next gig that is rocking the town. So just make sure you visit my website for more details on earning on Web3. Thank you so much. This is another project here. Not everybody knew about this project, but this project has been going on for several months, even if it's not up to a year now, but it's still going on. You can see, even myself, I'm still fresh. And based on my research, I noticed that there are some, if you go to X, there are some gurus that are following this project, which is one of the assurance that I have that this project is something huge. And also, this project, I did my research. You can see if you go to your X, this project is verified, is recognized by X and some other exchange. Do you get what I'm saying? They were following them up. So, and this project, I'm really sure that I'm bullish on it that this project is going to do something good for the community. So please make sure you do it. It's something simple. You don't need to waste your time. Just log in early in the morning and then start the miner, and after that you come back the next day to come and continue the project. So every day just click on it once and then come back the second day, the following day, to come and continue the project. So it's just 24 hours running miner. So I'm going to put the referral address on my description box, or probably if you are in my WhatsApp channel, please make sure you follow me up on my WhatsApp channel. You are going to see the referral link there. So please make sure you follow for updates. So how are you going to rock this miner? So make sure you follow me. Let me just log out first. So when you click on the link, this is how it's going to look like. You can see it said create account, sign in. So you enter your details. This is where your first name will be, your last name, and then your feed, and then your email, and then enter your country, then input your password. And also under my referral link, I'm going to put a code there. So make sure you put it under the input your referral code. So that's how you can pay me. So make sure you put it, please. It's very, very important. So just put the referral code there. It will be in the description box or probably on my WhatsApp channel. So just copy the code and insert it. And also you'll be directed to enter a 6-digit code, and just enter that. It's as simple as that, and then you are already in on the miner app. So here is my own details. You can see, so it's still running. It's still running. So there are many people on this project. There are many people. One of them is my, let me say, my mentor. Anyway, is one of my a mentor that I follow on X. So I really follow him. Zimansky, I think, is one of the top on this project. So please just do where to follow this project. Early in the morning, just log in, click on the start miner, and then come back the following day to continue the mining of the project. So thank you so much. That is all for today. And please do well to subscribe to my channel. It's very, very important so that you can get the latest update on projects that are going on Web3 field. Also, make sure you follow me up on my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you.